Welcome to studymiles.com. So before I begin today's tutorial, I'd like to briefly introduce you to our team. We're basically a team of engineers that have turned to the education industry. We're seeing the paradigm shift that came in the industry a couple of years ago, right? So we've been in this industry for a number of years, and we've seen the e-learning industry grow into what it's become today. So with that, I'd like to introduce you to the Study Miles project. There are two parts to the project that cater to student needs, right? So we've got the teachers and professionals part, and we've got the schools and institutes part, both with slightly different aspects in mind. So I hope to be able to cater to uh, both segments, right? So our portal, we basically Study Miles is a web application. What that means is it's an application that is run and hosted on an online server, kind of like Facebook and Twitter. And the goal of this endeavor is to create ebook courses and sort of make books come alive, delivering an exciting learning opportunity to students across the world. Right? So that's one aspect. The other aspect is to deliver live classes to students with the full functionality that the e-learning industry and all of its technology has to offer. So some of what we're going to talk about uh, in the entailing video would be a number of customizable interactive activities. So we know that we're no longer interested in passive learning. So we're not so interested in the way learning can be delivered through simple books, simple textual books. So we've got those interactive activities. We've got a host of communication tools and automated, all of that coupled with automated tests and assignments and so on that can be fully regulated by teaching individuals. So that's one part of it. Uh, the second part, which is the online class, uh, basically we've got all the amenities of a regular classroom fit onto the integrated e-learning or virtual classroom, right? So we've got all of those amenities, and I'm going to be showing you how that works. So if you log in to the portal from the front page, you'd be able to see a dashboard that looks like this. So you've got a dashboard set up which shows all of the courses, all of those individual courses that you're enrolled in, right? So and your enrollment depends on whether you're a teacher, a manager, an administrator, or whether you're a simple student or their parent, right? So the courses and the way things look sort of depends on that. And the system takes care of all the user right needs and the structural needs and the hierarchy of an institute all in a seamless integration. So in the coming videos, in the next few videos, I'm going to be talking about how e-learning can effectively be imparted onto um, on students um, via a live virtual classroom as well as support resources. The good news here is that I've been studying how different uh, companies and organizations have reacted to the recent outbreak of the coronavirus. So I've been through a number of those courses and offers, and the problem with the majority of those is either they don't integrate live teaching with non-live teaching courses, or they're just offering simple web conferencing tools, or they might be offering simple content management tools. So nobody seems to have a solution that takes care of live teaching, distance teaching, as well as online interactive um, resources, as well as all of the analytics and the information and the hierarchy and all of those different aspects of an organization all in one place. So nobody seems to have all of that in one place. So the good news is that we've got all of that, and so let's see how everything works together in the coming videos.